I'm Ashley and welcome to my channel. We're continuing with our quick and easy Christmas gifts. So we are making a rainbow unicorn sugar scrub. So this is probably the most bowls we've ever had on one of these so far. So we're starting with a cup of sugar. Okay, and then 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And then whatever essential oil you'd like. I'm going to use Snickerdoodle because it's kind of Christmassy, it's kind of vanilla, it kind of reminds me of a magical unicorn. So like 3-4 drops of that, however many you want to add. If you want it real scented, add a couple more. Okay, we're going to mix this all together. This is like a great gift for a little girl who loves unicorns and rainbows. A big girl who happens to love unicorns and rainbows. Maybe a teenager, because what teenager doesn't love sugar scrubs? In there nicely. Beautiful. And then all of these bowls come into play. So I cheated a little. In each of these bowls, you'll see it, I added a couple the colors that I wanted. So I went with 7 colors. You can do as many colors as you want. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this to all of my bowls. Do it evenly. It doesn't have to be done evenly, kind of like a sand art. Sand art isn't done evenly. So what makes it so pretty is art. It's your own creation. Sorry, my bowl is so loud, or my scraping is so loud. Okay. Here we go. And I have a bunch of different spoons. And we're just gonna mix this to get all the colors in. Starting with our purple. Beautiful purple. Liquid or gel colors are going to be your best bet because they're going to melt into this a little better. If you notice, I used a purple paste color because it's all I had, and it's a little chunky in there. We just have to mix it a little bit more. And our sugar's starting to turn purple. Just needs a little more elbow grease. Okay. Spoon. Another spoon. I believe this one is burgundy. Hi guys, so I took a little break in between there because mixing this took longer than expected. So I have all my colors mixed and I'm going to put it in here now. I didn't want you guys to have to stand there and watch me mix all of these, but they came out really, really pretty. So I'm going to do mine color by color. I think just one of each color will be real pretty since I have so many colors. Okay, here's some purple. I'm going to do this pretty burgundy shade. I actually had to like really get in there and mix it with like my fingers and everything to really kind of disperse it onto the sugar. So you may have to do that. I don't know. I did have, not all of mine were the liquid or the gels. Some of them were the, sorry, I'm looking for colors and having trouble with words. Some of mine were the paste. So the paste ones were like a giant pain in the butt. So yeah, if you can, try to avoid the paste ones. I usually love paste and recommend it, but not for this. That blue is so pretty. That's my favorite color. Just in case you couldn't tell. I love that shade of blue. Like the Caribbean. Okay, I'm just gonna pat that down now that I can get in there nicely with my spoon. Let's do this pretty pink color. That'll look nice against that pretty blue color. Okay, I think I might do this pretty orange color. It's nice and bright. That'll look nice against that pink. And then the green's kind of dark. I think that'll be a nice topping off color. Okay. And finally green. I went with the deeper green. I don't always love that bright Kelly green color, so I went with this nice deep green color. Actually, it looks pretty. Okay, there it is, our rainbow unicorn sugar scrub. I think that looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to piece these videos together because I'm not really sure what I got from anything. And somehow we're going to come out with a nice video on how to do this. I'll take some pictures at the end too, like I always do. Thanks for watching. If you're new and you like what you saw, please subscribe below. Bye guys!